Hello guys, in this video we will see how to change or increase the max connection limit in PostgreSQL server. Before changing, we must have the restart permission. To effect the changes, we have to restart the PostgreSQL server. So, if you are in production environment, you need to take the downtime. Okay, keep that in mind. And now open terminal. We have to change that in postgresql.conf file. First get the postgresql.conf file location. This process is same on all operating systems. PSQL. To find the conf file location, we have to run the command config_file. See, this is the configuration file. Location may be different for different operating systems, but command is same. Copy this file. Quit. We have to run this with Postgres user. Okay. Otherwise, it will throw error. So first grep more, paste that file, then grep max_connections. See, max connections default is set 100. So, and also see here in the comment, this whatever you want to change this property, it requires restart. Restart means PostgreSQL server restart. Okay. So after changing this value, we have to restart. So I am going to increase it to 200. Sudo vi, paste that file with the entire path. Hit enter. Sorry, sudo is not required. Hit enter. Then /, then type max_connections. See here, we have the max connections. Hit enter. Then go to here. Remove one by pressing X. Then press I to insert mode. Then give 200. Escape. :WQ exclamation. Now we have to restart the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl. We can't restart with Postgres user. So exit from the Postgres user. Sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Now verify the same. Sudo su-postgres. See, we have changed that value to 200. This is the way to change the max connections from the default value 100 to anything. Okay, for more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.